A line chart using a spreadsheet. First, I'm going to highlight all of my data. Notice I included the names of my stocks here so that they will show up in my chart. I can click on Insert and Chart. And I do want a line chart here. If it does not have line chart selected right away, just click on Chart Type. Make sure you choose Line. Notice my legend is up here, but they're not labeled. So I want to click on this button, Use Row 1 as headers. And now I've got my lines labeled so I know which is which. I can move where that legend is. If I don't like it at the top, I can position it somewhere else, maybe at the bottom. On this customize part, I can also change a lot of things like the chart title and things like that. And I suggest you do that to make your chart descriptive. But we don't want the chart in the middle of the spreadsheet, so I want to move chart to its own sheet. And I can rename the chart here. And that is how we make a line chart with a spreadsheet.